Hey guys, welcome back to Spice Try. For today's recipe, we bring to you a Parsi delicacy known as Patra-Ni-Machi. Though a simple dish to make, the flavors of the Patra-Ni-Machi are absolutely extraordinary. So let's see how it's made. Step 1 is to marinate the fish. Now you can use any fish that you like. We have used Pomfret out here. Just make sure it's cleaned and washed before you begin the marination process. With a knife, cut in a couple of slits on the fish. This will help the flesh soak up the marinade well. Now take half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and rub it into the fish. Let the marinade sit for about 20 minutes. Step 2 is preparing the hero ingredient, the coriander chutney. For this you will need around 1.5 cups of finely chopped fresh coriander, 100 grams fresh sliced coconut, 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves, 2 fresh green chilies and 5 cloves of garlic. Now add in half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of cumin powder and grind it up. Now add in half a teaspoon of salt and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Grind it once again until a smooth paste is formed. Authentically, the fish is wrapped in a banana leaf and then steamed. But if you don't have access to it, you can achieve similar results using an aluminium foil. Wash your banana leaf before you start the wrapping process. Place a generous amount of the chutney that you have prepared in the center of the banana leaf. Now place your fish on top of it and spread on some more chutney on top of the fish. Now carefully fold the banana leaf around the fish to create a parcel. Fasten it using a rubber band or a string. Repeat the same for all your fish pieces. Now steam the fish for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, remove and open the packets and serve your fish hot with a side of lemon and onions. Wasn't that super easy? So you definitely have to try it out and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Do check out more recipes from Spice Try by clicking on the icons you see. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and come back on our channel for more amazing recipes. See you next time. Thanks for watching.